Hi guys, and today we'll explain file file upload. This particular file upload very useful, and this particular file upload is uploading any file for file pics and etc. We help to file upload, and this particular file upload is very useful too. And how to this particular file upload automated. Let's see this video, and I will show it what file you uploaded and add employee. And this particular choose file is click, and particular any file is click and save it, and is save it. This particular activity, how to particular this activity automate, how this particular activity add automate in Selenium code, Selenium jar file, Selenium Java. Let's see this particular activity, and let's start the video. I will create one class tc000010 upload file, one point complete static void main and finish. And let's copy this some code I will copy. Oh no, if I get it in system.out.println. System dot is a launch browser, and one more method I missed it. And let's start the main program, and I want this particular add button element that switch and inspect, but LA class and so many types of elements are there, but I want a very perfect element is XPath. Copy related XPath, and driver dot find element by dot XPath, Control V, add button, click on add button, and let's thread to sleep 3. Driver dot find element by dot first name last name, and add button. Let's do this. Add employee. Particular to send this. inspect apps also, just copy. Sorry, I will first name, last name, and another one step is balanced. Step is and save button. For now, choose upload file is there. Let's inspect this. For now, I will one package I will import. Open Selenium web element. That particular web element equal to new, sorry, not new, driver dot find element by dot XPath. Let's do that XPath. I want that particular relative XPath. I will take in that particular relative XPath and Control V, and let's close, and V dot send keys. Particular send keys I will go on an image. We'll take any image. We'll take this image. Right click and copy as XPath, and let just paste it. Is not a JPG. I want JPG XPath. JPG file I want. About this XPath, this image path provide. This is a JPG. JPG is a image and identifying image. Control S, and let's save that. I will adding thread dot sleep. Control S, just write the program. Let's write the program is first launch browser. After launch browser, enter URL and name and add button Durga Prasad and first name last name, and upload. Save button is printed. What is and not perfectly running? Why? Here is running is dot and oh no. Sorry guys, I forget it. I'm very sorry. I choose this XPath. I want this XPath, and I want this XPath. I am selecting that particular another XPath. That's a reason is not correct, not printed. And sorry guys for the mistake. Control V. This is printed successfully. Java application. And enter and add employee. Enter first name, last name, and enter file and JPG file. Enter JPG file, and next this particular activity and save activity. I will perform save activity also and select XPath. Let's do this. Driver dot find element by dot nib dot by dot XPath. Control V dot click activity perform. Let's control S and let's start the running. Running. Enter username and password. Add button. And last name and first name. And file option. And upload the file image. And this image is printed. See guys, this upload the file is uploaded file, and this is the uploading file. And thank you for everything. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.